Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see how to make a Ragda Chaat with white peas and potatoes in a very few simple steps. I have mentioned the ingredients in the description below, so let's get started with the process. I have taken 1 cup of white peas soaked in water for minimum of 8 hours. Drain the water and rinse them with a fresh one. Add the soaked white peas in a cooker and fill it with water until it's above the peas surface. Now let's add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of coriander and cumin powder, half teaspoon of fennel powder, and add salt. Let's stir well. And close the lid and pressure cook for 5 whistles on a medium heat. After the whistle, switch off heat and allow the pressure cooker to release naturally. Let's open the lid and check for doneness by mashing with hands. Use a potato masher to lightly mash it. Keep a few chunks intact. Meanwhile, for making patties, let's take 4 aloos and pressure cook them for 4 whistles. Now for tempering a ragda, take a small kadai, heat oil. Let's add jeera, chilli powder, and ginger julienne. Pour into the mixture and stir once. Add water according to your consistency and boil it. Make it little bit thick. So now the ragda is ready. Let's keep it aside for the later use. And finally add the chopped coriander leaves. Once potatoes are boiled, let's peel them and mash using a potato masher. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, a little corn flour, salt according to your taste, a little chilli powder for taste, 1 teaspoon of bhaji masala, and chopped onions. Mix everything well. Take some mixture and shape it into patties or tikkis in a round shape. I have prepared few patties and kept it ready. Set a tawa pan on a medium heat, add some oil and place the tikkis. Let's fry them from both sides until they are crisp and golden brown in color. Now our aloo tikki is ready. Now let's assemble our Ragda Chaat. So first let's place the ragda and then the aloo patties. Sprinkle some bhaji masala just for the taste. Garnish with coriander leaves, chopped onion. Finally add some save. You can also add tamarind and the mint chutney if you have. It tastes good even without that. And now our delicious Ragda Chaat is ready to be served. Do give it a try and let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for much easy and delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!